2. Sorry, I'm just cutting a very awkward shape in this skirt to fit around the toilet pipe, and I seem to have lost my clamps. So please do bear with me a moment. Keep having to move it. Don't know if camera lady wants to come around to her side, because I'm having to move it again so you're not looking at my bum. Okay, let's have a look and see if this fits. Now don't worry, I know there's going to be a gap between the floor and the top of the skirt. That's square. Yep.
Yep.
Okay. Right. That one's done. What I'm now going to do is grab hold of my multi tool, because I need to find out what the distance is between the floor and one end of this skirt. So, and it's so hot today, and as you can probably see from my face, I am absolutely dripping. And I should say hello and welcome to this scorching hot day. Get that up there. Bring that down to the bottom. Okay. Now what I can do is take it out there. Whoops. Okay, I'm going to place it on the back here, just because it seems to be the easiest place to put it. Sorry, I'm just having to think. And yes, it was painful. Okay. Now when I pick that up, it's going to be turned to there, so this end goes down that way. And it's down there. It's kind of a cheat's way of doing scribing, but actually what we chose
Bless you.
for the skirt,
Won't get here in time.
not only wouldn't they get here in time, they were 3 times the price. And like I said, this is designer on a budget.
As you can see, we've got the wall finished and the designer tiles put on, the grouting done, painted the walls and the ceiling again.
Yeah, still some snagging to do.
Yeah. But we're getting there, aren't we?
Yep. May even have a bath and be able to have a bath next week.
Yep. All being well.
Try 10 years without a bath.
Yeah, but when we're away we've had baths, so...
No, you numpty. 10 years without a bath, but we have showers and we have, you know, wash
Yeah, but we
downs
have baths when we went to hotels.
Yeah.
And when we go to grandma's.
Oh.
But I think it's even hotter than last Friday, wasn't it?
Right, so what I've done is I've just put one screw in
The corner.
this end at the height that I did here. So I placed this edge here on the floor and I brought this down to the bottom of, flush with the bottom of the skirt. So that gave me the distance I needed between the skirt and the floor. So, and actually it doesn't look too bad. Some might say, oh, it's awful, but no, it's not. So that I should put the pipe in first, shouldn't I? Oh, there we go. Cute. So That's interesting. No problem. Then what I've got doing is coming down this end and marking on the end grain where I want it to go. And then take it out. And I have to readjust this bottom, the other end, just a tad. For some reason it's out by a mil. Okay. I do apologise about the sniffing, but my hay fever is slightly getting on the top of me, on top of me a bit. Right, that's that end done. And I want to come down, just readjust this. It's too tall. There we go, try that. So we're not as early as we normally are in terms of getting to work, getting to doing this work, because we had a couple of jobs we had to do first. Okay, yes. Okay, that's worked. I'm happy with that. Yep. Okay, so the next job I've got to do are these here. Now I'm just going to scribe these because I've got a feeling I'm going to have to cut these down a little more. So we'll do that first. And what I've done is I've cut them at a 45-degree angle, and what we're doing is running the jigsaw down this edge here. Okay. See, a lot of this work I haven't actually done before. So I'm either going to cock it up or it's going to be brilliant. I'm not quite sure which yet. Fingers crossed. Oh no.
Too long.
Hey?
Is it too long?
No.
Oh.
No, not allowed to be. No. I always put things down, never know where I put them.
I've got Henry Hetter in the picture.
Henry what?
Hetter. The Hoover.
Ah.
And our new towel reel.
Okay. This may work.
And it may not. It has two chances.
Hey?
It has two chances.
A 50-50 chance.
Yep. So have we got any varnish for the wood?
Huh? No.
No. We need to go and get some, don't we?
Hey. There's another bomb stuff like this.
I did tell you it's too long.
What was too long? No. Cut this too high. But I might be able to fix that. Let's see what I can do when I go down and cut this first. I'll be back. Well, that took some fiddling to do, but I've managed to get the skirt in there and scribed, and the corner looks quite nice. But it really was some playing around to get it to work. It's slightly shorter, or it's not long enough, it doesn't come right up to the frame, but we've got architrave going right the way down through. So, and to be honest, the main task today, because of the toilet being fitted tomorrow, was to get the
Back piece in.
the piece behind the toilet in, and the one behind the that's going here behind the sink. So that task is complete. All I've got to do now is put some no nails on and attach it back to the wall.